Sagalo from Jessica's Jewels, and now we're going to ask 3 random questions. To get the correct answer, you will receive a mystery box from Jessica's Jewels. We're now live here at Carter City, Cebu, Philippines. Hello Sparkles, I'm back. I'm with
Tara.
I'm with
Jessica.
So I'm going to ask Tara 3 questions that is related to jewelries, metals, and gemstones. So I will giving you 3 random questions. When you got the correct answer, you will receive a jewelry box, a mystery jewelry box from Jessica's Jewelry. So my question is, what metal is traditionally used for wedding ring? I will give you 3 seconds to answer the question. So your timer starts now.
I think it's probably gold.
Exactly. You're correct. The first question is, what metal is traditionally used for wedding rings? I give you 3 seconds to answer the question. Your timer starts now.
Rose gold.
Your answer is wrong. So the answer for this is gold. So for the second question is, what is the birthstone for April? The timer starts now.
Pearl? No, I think it's diamond. Diamond.
Okay, that's correct. So last question, which pink gem is associated with love and compassion?
I think it's rose quartz.
You're correct. So you answered the 3 questions correctly, so you will receive now the mystery box from Jessica's Jewels.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Once again, my name is Idara Zagalo from Jessica's Jewel, a place where you can find sparkles.